In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from Alibaba to Shopify. To get started, head over to Alibaba.com. This is where you'll find the products you can browse for your Shopify store. Make sure you're already signed into your Alibaba account so the process goes smoothly, especially once you move into the dropshipping section. Once you're on the Alibaba homepage, go up to your profile area and click on it. From there, select My Alibaba. This will take you into your account dashboard, where you can access more tools and options beyond the standard product search. If a new page opens, that's completely normal. On the left-hand side of the account area, look for the dropshipping option and click it. This section is designed specifically for users who want to source products in a way that works well for online selling, including Shopify stores. It helps narrow your workflow so you're looking at products with importing in mind. Now take some time to browse for a product that you want to sell on Shopify. As you look through listings, pay attention to the product details, images, and overall presentation so you can choose something that fits your store. It's a good idea to be intentional here since the product you choose is what you'll be bringing into your storefront. When you find a product you like, click on it. This will open the product in a new tab again, giving you access to the full listing page. On that page, you'll be able to review the item more closely and find the option that lets you move forward with importing. Next, look for the Start Dropshipping button and click on it. This is the key action that begins the importing process from Alibaba's side. If you don't see it right away, scan the product page carefully because it may appear near the main product actions. After that, choose to import the product using your preferred partner that works with Shopify, and then click Import. This step connects the Alibaba product to the tool or integration you use with your Shopify store. Be sure to select the correct partner so your import goes to the right platform and workflow. Finally, sign in to your selected partner account. Once you log in, the product can continue through the import process inside that connected system. From there, you'll be able to manage the product within your Shopify-related setup. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to import a product from Alibaba to Shopify. Take your time during the product selection and partner import stages, since accuracy there will make the rest of the process much easier.